Bonjour à tous! Today, let's have a look at singular and plurals in French. How are we going to change the words from singular to plural, like different nouns in French? So first of all, just like how we do in case of English. For example, if in English I want to talk about one book, that is book. More than one book becomes books. I just added an S towards the end. Same way in French as well, we just need to add an S to our noun. So for most nouns, add S to the singular form of the noun. For example, un stylo, that becomes des stylos. Remember to change un to de. Un is the singular form of saying a pen. Some pens, more than one, that is de. Un stylo, des stylos. Un livre, des livres. La maison, les maisons. So la becomes les. What all things are going to turn to les? Le, la and L apostrophe. These three are going to transform to les in case of plural. So did you observe the main thing that I did over here? I just added an extra S to it to change it from singular to plural. Now, just like how we have exceptions in case of English as well, like wife. The spelling of wife is not the same when we change it from singular to plural wives. Right? We don't add just an S to it. The entire spelling changes. Same way in French also there are few exceptions. So let's have a look at these exceptions. So if the singular noun ends in S, X or Z, then no further S is added in the plural form. It remains the same. For example, un fils, tes fils. A son, some sons, more than one son. Right? It remains the same. Une voix, des voix. That is voice. Un nez, des nez. Again the same. Now there can be a question that if we are not changing, then how are we going to determine if it's singular or plural? So notice over here, in order to determine that singular or plural thing, we are changing the articles. Un becomes they. Une becomes they. Right? Same way le, la, L apostrophe will also become le. Now the third exception, if the singular noun ends in al or ail, the plural usually ends in aux, like un journal, des journaux, un travail, des travaux, un animal, des animaux. Right? These three are ending in al or ail. So we are going to replace them with aux. Très bien. The fourth one, if the singular noun ends in eau, o, then the plural usually ends in eaux. The examples can be un gâteau, des gâteaux, a cake, more than one cake, some cakes, un bateau, des bateaux, a boat, some boats. Okay, so eau changes to eaux. Très bien. Now there are few nouns which are always used in their plural forms. For example, les vacances, les cheveux, les maths, les scissors, les lunettes, and les gens. Don't start stressing over it that French is a complicated language, because the same is there in case of English as well. There are quite a few nouns in English which are always used in the plural form. It really doesn't matter we are talking about one or more than one. They are always plural. Then there are few irregular plurals. They don't follow any rule. You'll just have to mug these up. And they are l'œil, that is one eye, l'œil, and les yeux, more than one eye, two eyes. Le travail, and les travaux, madame, mesdames, monsieur and messieurs. Très bien. So if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. And don't forget to note all these down, to take a screenshot, sit down with yourself and try memorizing these. Alright, a bientôt!